9 I have stated কটা বাপ আছে কে বাঁচায় তোকে দেখবো I have quoted আপনার জন্য স্পেশাল ট্রিটমেন্ট আছে দিস আপনার জন্য স্পেশাল ট্রিটমেন্ট আছে is and let I am not reading let after 2-3 line leave all this have said by the police authorities and means this Sathi Barik.
It over here, this is the only thing which I can consider. You said
police can abuse me. Can police?
Sir, these are question of facts to be decided, not in 226.
That's my prayer, Amlet.
This is not. That's why got to file a case for that. Now 175(4) has come. You can go before the magistrate.
That is not against me. Even then, lad, I was kindly similar to page 6. I was physically assaulted. My complaint was made at page 7 by me.
You are clubbing everything over here.
All that I'm trying to demonstrate, lad, that police, paragraph 9 I have stated, কটা বাপ আছে কে বাঁচায় তোকে দেখবো I have quoted আপনার জন্য স্পেশাল ট্রিটমেন্ট আছে দিস আপনার জন্য স্পেশাল ট্রিটমেন্ট আছে is and let I am not reading let after 2-3 line did you sleep all this have said by the police authorities and means this Sathi Barik.
Sir, you were assaulted over here. This is the only thing which I can consider. You said
police can abuse me. Can police?
Sir, these are question of facts to be decided, not in 226.
That's my prayer, Amlet.
This is not. That's why got to file a case for that. Now 175(4) has come. You can go before the magistrate.
That is not a criminal case.
The criminal case.
Yes, ma'am. So far, criminal case is concerned, I have made a complaint at page 34. Let them register an FIR. That is first part.
One thing is this, sir, they will not register FIR in this case only because of the reason they have got to follow the procedure established by law. Because you have alleged against, you can, I'm not saying you cannot, but first an inquiry is required to be conducted. Without an inquiry, directly asking aim to register case against the OCs, then all OCs will be in problem, sir. You over here, you see, you have this is an allegation.
Page 34 of my petition.
34, I'm on 34, sir. You have said থানার একটি ঘরের মধ্যে ঢুকিয়ে ওসি অল ওমেন পুলিশ স্টেশন এবং একাধিক পুলিশ কর্মী আমাকে প্রচন্ড মারধর করে এবং অশ্রাব্য ভাষায়. So there is over here and you have attached a medical document to that effect. ঠিক আছে. You are going to file this. Don't club this with this, sir. These are two separate incidents. And they say, let me deal with them. Yes. What is your contention, Mr. Doctor?
First is only one more line. Oh, lad, at 2 a.m. lad, I immediately went to the hospital.
And I've seen that. I've told you that.
And the doctor refused to record that.
So that's a separate against the doctor. There is, I will consider that. There is, I am accepting you have a injury report with you, pursuant to coming out of the police station.
Submission.
Yes, Mr. Dotto.
But first is, whatever has been stated in paragraph number 9,
doing is this.
But I have to file an affidavit in this matter.
Yes, I know.
Because I'm seriously considering whether I should bring a 340 application or not.
Yes.
Whatever is that, you have got to file, but then whatever is there, I will not take a report now.
Yes.
You file it in the form of affidavit first. Because you are denying whole of the accusations which have been made in page 34,
yes.
number 1. Number 2, you examine the doctor.
Yes.
Who has issued this Midnapur Medical College.
Yes.
Who refused.
Well, Millard, please take this. No. Please take this, Millard, with Mr. Chatterjee's matter. I've got something to say, Millard. Kindly passes the order, Millard, after hearing Mr. Chatterjee's matter.
They're two different cases.
No. They arise out the same. I have got reasons. But after your lordship hears, Millard, then kindly Mr. Chatterjee's matter, please.
No, the nature of the allegations, whatever is are somewhat different in Mr. Chatterjee's matter than Mr. Amit.
No, on the doctor aspect. That's why, Millard, previously I didn't say anything.
The doctor aspect, you take a statement of the doctor, what was there.
I can take that statement, but I would be requesting your lordship, Millard, to pass this order, whatever your lordship feels, after hearing Mr. Chatterjee's matter. Because on the doctor aspect, I need to show the embellishment. Subsequent embellishment, I need to show from.
Will file an affidavit. I mean, the OC concerned will file affidavit in opposition.
But I was making this. Let there be a report by an independent police officer, even of the state government.
The Muralidhar Sharma, I mean, appointing the IPS, who is the IGP in the, I mean, some rank officer in the training academy.
Yes.
He will see the all the thing, the CCTV pages, whatever Dotto is relying upon. including he will also assess, speak with the officer concerned over there relating the incident, and he will submit his independent report in
Yes, yes. That would suffice, my lord.
Thereafter we'll take a decision what to
Yes.
do in future. Affidavit will be filed by the officer in charge because the accusations are against the officer in charge. It's Shati Barik or something like that, who happens to be
The officer in charge will file an affidavit in opposition. Mr. Muralidhar Sharma will look into the CCTV
everything, whatever the
footages
incidents,
and,
whatever
and file another report.
he will file a report only.
Very.
Report
Yes.
what
Very,
regarding the incidents
very.
because the materials are with you. Sir Muralidhar Sharma, IGP A training. ওইটাতে দেখে নেবেন তো স্বামী বিবেকানন্দ কি ওদের ট্রেনিং ইনস্টিটিউট নাকি পুলিশ একাডেমি SVPA নাকি একটা আছে স্বামী বিবেকানন্দ ওই একটা পুলিশ একাডেমি নাকি আছে ওই ব্যারাকপুরে would consider the CCTV footage along with all the electronic material digital materials available
Swami Vivekananda State Police Academy,
স্বামী
IGP training.
স্বামী
Swami Vivekananda,
কি বললাম
এই যে SVS
Swami Vivekananda State Police Academy.
along with all digital materials available in the police station
State Police Academy.
in the background of the accusations made by the present and petitioner, which is enclosed at page 34 of the which is enclosed at page 34 of the writ petition.
And more
Full stop. The accusations are
Yes, now kindly see the accusation. Where the accusation has to be, my lord, tailored or refashioned. After, my lord, what has happened on 3rd, 4th, and 5th, my lord, as I'm trying to demonstrate before this court. Now, the accusation is when? 6th, page 46. Kindly have a look to this. It has to happen. But I could have understood the letter of 6th was on 3rd or on 4th. When, my lord, the situation was different. By that time, the evidence was not created.
Medinipur,
Where?
Tirthankar University, Medinipur.
That's a proper Manipur town only.
Yes, yes.
Upper Medinipur.
Proper Medinipur.
It's called Rangamati area.
Huh?
Rangamati area outside the proper Medinipur.
The
Outside of proper Medinipur. On that day, we went to lodge complaint. Our complaint was not taken. My lord, kindly appreciate what happened in this case. My lord,
My lord, if they have gone over there, complaint was not registered, alec for them civil apply. No writ petition maintainable.
my lord, kindly
If that is the allegation, no writ petition
lord,
maintainable, I'll come.
I will
Yes, I'll come with those judgments.
Kindly allow me for 2 minutes.
Well, let him, my lord, make out his point. Is he saying that the FIR was not registered, though a complaint was made, but the remedy is elsewhere? Remedy is elsewhere, remedy is provided in the BNS itself, and, my lord, the judgments of the Supreme Court. এমনকি so and so. জামা কাপড় ছেড়ে দেয়। বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় গেট থেকে থানায় পৌঁছানোর পর আমাদের গাড়ি থেকে নামিয়ে লাথি মারতে মারতে চুলের মুঠি ধরে গালে চড় মারতে মারতে থানার মধ্যে নিয়ে যায় এবং আইসি সোয়েন্সো বলতে থাকে সোয়েন্সো পুঁতে দেবো। আমাদের 4 জনকে আইসি রুমের সামনে একটা সরু গলির মতো জায়গা দিয়ে নিয়ে গিয়ে একটি পরিত্যক্ত রুমে নিয়ে যাওয়া হয়। ওই ঘরে 4 জনকে ধাক্কা দিয়ে মেরে মেঝেতে ফেলে দেওয়া হয়। তারপর চলতে থাকে অকল্পনীয় অত্যাচার। আমার তলপেটে লাথি, বুটে লাথি, হিলচর এক্সেট্রা। আইসি নিজে বেল্ট খুলে পায়ের তলায় মারতে থাকে, সঙ্গে চলতে থাকে অশ্রাব্য গালিগালাজ। প্রায় 20-25 মিনিট ধরে আমাকে মারধরের পর আমাকে এই ঘরে রেখে বাকিদের লকআপে নিয়ে যাওয়া হয়। ওই ঘরে আইসি সহ 5-6 জন পুলিশ ছিল। সেই ঘরে আমার পায়ের ওপর বুট দিয়ে দাঁড়িয়ে থাকে এবং পায়ের তলায় বেত মারতে থাকে, চুলের মুঠি ধরে শূন্যে ঝুলিয়ে রাখে। Is it believable? Believable?
Shall I read, sir?
পড়ছি। Story writing. Yes, yes. মাটিতে very interesting. Very interesting.
রক্তাক্ত অবস্থায় মাটিতে পড়ে যায়।
Yes.
সেই সময় মুখে জল দিলেও জোর জবরদস্তি সেই রক্তাক্ত জল ফেলতে না দিয়ে খেতে বাধ্য করা হয়। আরো বিভৎসতা প্রকাশ পায়
Go,
যখন
read on,
আইসি সাথী বারিক আমাকে আমার ঠিকানা লিখতে বলে, তখন লেখার সময় আমার হাতের গাঁটে বেত মারা হয়, হাতে পায়ে জ্বলন্ত মোম ঢালা হয়, কষ্টে যন্ত্রণায় চিৎকার করলে ওরা আরো মারতে থাকে। আর আইসি সাথী বারিক ও এসআই লীনা মাহাতো হেসে বলতে
Everything comes with after 3 days. Yes.
Investigation should have been done.
No, it cannot be made on false complaints. Where kindly similar the evidence on record.
লাঠি মেরেছে, মারের চোটে পা ফুলে গেছে, বর্ণালী নায়কের মুখ ফাটিয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছে।
Yes.
They have shown। এই সময় আইসি সাথী বারিক ও তার সঙ্গে বাকিরা বলতে থাকে, আমাদের বিরুদ্ধে কেস করলে মেরে ফাটিয়ে দেবো, আর তোর মা বাবাকেও জানে মেরে দেবো। Is this not believable? আচ্ছা,
Compare these below with the medical reports now. I wanted to place this.
Case
Very good, Mr. Dotto.
Yes, no, everything your lordship,
That
my lord has read.
hospital was instructed not to, my lord, not to examine us. This was our specific.
Mr. Dotto.
We have stated that.
Hey,
একজনকে রেখে বাকি
All right, wait.
Foran.
Yeah.
Right, Foran.
Mr. Dotto, one thing is that against this officer, another allegation is there. The earlier is the same officer.
Same. The group is the same.
Group is the
It's
same.
not that it is two different incidents. Same group.
But that is the OC.
Where the call log will show that. I'm sorry, the CCTV.
torture, there was no CCTV. This
All
is
right,
not our case.
all right. There is a possibility of exaggeration also over there here because the burning things are not coming out in the medical report.
Yes.
I'm not commenting on anything, sir. Not let the same officer at least see all the CCTV footage. Submit a report before this court.
But kindly keep the point of maintainability open when I ask you to make this submission.
One,
Yes.
two. Since one of them happens to be from the scheduled tribe, you have a state commission of scheduled tribe definitely. Parallel like National Commission for
Well, kindly pass those orders made on the returnable date. Kindly get.
one person. This will be late, sir. Only they will look into this.
No. Milord,
Only report. I'm not
Milord,
passing
may I
any
say this,
order.
Milord, I have got nothing to hide. But Milord, this should not be, Milord, a weapon.
I will not allow that police force to be demoralized also.
Milord,
There has to
if
be a
required,
balance.
Milord, the report will come within 1 week.
Yes.
I'll file the report within 1 week.
No, report over here.
Let the report be filed within 1 week.
So far as the report of this CCTV, you have a CCTV footage over here. Two things.
আছে তো, জিজ্ঞেস করো। এটাতে CCTV footage আছে তো? এই কেসটাতে।
না, না,
আচ্ছা,
এটা
বাস।
অন্য করে নিয়ে মানবে।
Yes.
অন্য CCTV তে দেখা যাবে। হ্যাঁ, my lord. Yes.
Same police station though, as the earlier one. So
Exactly.
CCTV footage would be there, sir.
My
Expected.
lord, we have another prayer, my lord. Question arises why they were preventive detained illegally. My lord, what were the charges?
Milord, Milord,
Why they were
That
taken?
is subject matter of.
Not subject matter of.
Yes.
no, that your lordship will decide. But so far as filing of the,
They were-
Sir, if they were illegally, I will impose compensation, sir.
yes.
I will impose compensation. If there is illegally, if there is, that does not mean I will say.
Absolutely, my
That is a preventive action of the police authorities. How much is is permitted, how much
Yes,
not
yes,
permitted.
yes.
We will
That is our
Well,
we will consider that. That's the final hearing of the
Yes.
petition. First, two things are here: right, wrong, indifferent, true, false, everything, sir. Same police officer will see. Same Muralidhar Sharma, IGP 1. But here, sir,
But let the report come. I am shortening the period of report
I'm
so
le-
that
one, two, you will constitute a see one thing. There are medical reports which you yourself challenge.
no, I don't challenge. I say, Milord, the version. Because Milord,
Sir,
if
the nature of version over here in the FIR and the nature of medical report, how much it is matching is to be taken into consideration also.
right,
So if I constitute a state medical board, what is your problem, sir?
Milord, the state medical, Milord, today, Milord, these are Milord simple heart, if at all.
I'm not bothered about. See many things are there which are not. I will not pronounce anything. The accusations and the medical reports, prima facie, do not
Accusations
tally.
are after.
Why they are afraid, my lord?
No, not
No, who said I am afraid?
Yes, of course you are
No question
afraid.
afraid.
Yes, this has come from your.
Milord, this is very unfair, Milord. This is very unfair.
Yeah.
If Mr. Chatterjee has something to say to me,
Please,
he should not say in the open court.
আমাদেরও কিন্তু লোক আছে।
আরে why? তুমি একটা
What is this? What is this?
Aha.
লোক আছে অমুক আছে কেন বলছো?
আমি তো বলছি জজ সাহেবকে। আমি তো বলছি জজ সাহেবকে।
Acha, wait. Only both of you speak, sir. Nobody else.
Absolutely, my lord. I bow down.
But I was on the phone.
Yes, you
Your
say.
lordship,
Well,
two things
I
as
understand.
it has been fallen from your lordship. Number one, investigation by Muralidhar Sharma, and number three, the medical board. My lord, kindly sees this new
But third, the things have happened. They took 3 days to file.
Section 53 kindly sees.
I will see it, all these things. I wanted to settle, then this becomes a problem. Then I've got to make a court order. So that this I was not intending to do. Now, once I was thinking in terms of constitute in this case, we'll consider the genuinity of the accusations because court prima facie cannot consider the genuinity of. I can say that the documents which are enclosed are not acceptable to me. So I can say that. But then what is a litigation then? You also know you have done cases also that custodial torture and custodial violence, how a court has got to be sensitive on the issues concerned. Had it been in a normal matter, I would not have dared to say. I would have only said exchange of evidence, which come after some time. Custodial accusations regarding, I will not say custodial torture. I would say allegations or accusations in respect of custodial torture, where the Supreme Court has repeatedly said that the scope of obtaining evidence is very weak, sir. In those cases, at least, earlier case, as the accusation was, I dealt with that. I was I think the report is enough. Over here, there is the this may be false, sir. I've got nothing to say regarding this. But this, before considering everything, I just want to do three things, sir. One, a report from a superior police officer. Two, a report from the state commission for national commission for tribal tribes or tribal is there. Tribal. So a state tribal commission must be there over here. They will submit a report. And thirdly, a medical board, ALC, constituted by whichever Calcutta Medical College, any college of which the some reputed doctors who are they will see regarding the genuinity whether they will submit on in sealed cover, they will file a report before this. These are the three things which I proposing,
Milord,
but
may I
this
now-
I don't think will break the moral of the police authorities. If the report come against, this will boost up the moral of the police authorities.
Milord, I've got a few submissions to make.
Common.
First is, Milord, this is a writ proceeding, is a order 19 proceeding. Here, Milord, the writ petitions are, Milord, decided on the petition plus evidence annexed to it, affidavit in oppositions and replies plus evidence annexed to it. Usually, your lordships do not take, Milord, evidence in a writ proceeding. These are, Milord, evidences. The second part is, the sequence of events must be such that it must prima facie. But it cannot be that after 3 days, you make out a case and then, Milord, do not take or adopt the procedure which the law prescribes. Milord, 19, the CRPC also prescribed that if you go to the police station, police refuses, go to the SP, SP does nothing, go before the court. Going before the court, Milord, has two forums. Either 156 or go file a complaint case.
We have applied everything from paragraph
Huh?
41. Shall I read?
No more now. Mr. Dotto, I think you have your compulsions. You come up with the judgments, I'll consider them.
But I'll come back tomorrow.
Let's continue. You also be prepared, sir. I'll.
Yes,
if
yes.
the
Alec Padam, Milord, we will stand in a.
I
Milord,
do not know
I'm-
why, my lord,
Yes,
Then
it has to. It has to.
That's his compulsion, sir. I cannot say.
I
No,
understand.
No, Milord, I have no compulsion. Milord, this is a social issue.
No, my lord.
But I can understand, Milord.
Everything.
I can understand,
I
Milord.
everything. Whatever
There
question
is
you have,
evidence.
I have replied.
It's not a watertight case. It's not a watertight case. They have not said why the complaint was lodged on 6th, not on 4th.
We'll consider
And not only
delay
that,
in
Yes.
they are not the
delay
students.
I
in
can
lodging and
understand, Milord, and Milord, I am being prompted to say, I do not know where right or wrong, that these are not students.
whatever.
Yes,
I am not.
Not of 3 days.
I am not on the issue. I am on the issue. Particularly two things. Why I am distinguishing the other complaint from this complaint. Otherwise, I could have said same order in this matter.
Right.
No difficulty. You also had no difficulty. One is that whenever an order is passed, at least I pass an order, I go to work nearby an act which is existing, sir. That is my method of working. There is an act. There is a presumption under the act, number one. Number two is the principles of custodial torture. Right, wrong, indifferent, whatever. Whether at the first stage, the court can be strict to throw away a repetition.
But I like this Lordship tomorrow.
No,
Can
but-
I keep
but-
it tomorrow?
At this stage, because it is very difficult. Very difficult. It's a law that very difficult to obtain evidence when a person is in custody. It's on trappings of incident. Evidence are
Right,
made
right,
out.
right,
Anyway,
right,
you
right.
add.
Today, Milord, I'll tell you, Lordship, Milord,
Start up an investigation only.
No, I have not started.
Or my lord, a report. Or a
Report. I have never said investigation.
no.
That is his.
But not, Milord, at the instance of, Milord, false complaints.
They are also
But the
trespassing.
compulsion is, Milord,
also true.
but
What
the-
we can say.
They are not the students
Milord,
also.
Milord, I have no compulsion.
I guess before.
The concern is, that, Milord,
This will
people should
multiply.
not come out of
That
the-
as a state you are entitled to do, sir. I have got no issues regarding that.
But no compulsion. That's it.
Uh,
We didn't hear anything.
What
Hear anything.
Oh, so other to very good.
is the point of law?
I'm so sorry, Milord, I've kept your Lordship, Milord, detailed.
I've kept it for that. I expected it by quarter to 2 it would be over. But anyway,
But Milord, only one request, Milord, tomorrow in the first half, Milord. Tomorrow. Milord, Milord, I'll be as short as possible, as short as possible.
12:45.
আমরা কখন বলবো তাহলে?
কালকে তো সোয়া
You
তিনটে
also have to reply.
বারোটা
We also have to give reply.
Then I keep this on Wednesday, sir.
Wednesday.
When
Wednesday,
is tomorrow?
Oh, tomorrow is Wednesday.
then Thursday, but after two,
After two.
there's no work, so I can, you will, both of you.
First, keep it at 12 noon, Milord.
Okay.
But I'll finish within half an hour.
I understand,
By
but
the clock.
Problem is, my lord, they were
Court's
issued
clock.
and the medical board is to be set up as early as
Let us see. Let us see. The
How?
court will give all relief, provided you make out a believable case at least.
Allegation.
I will not,
Whether-
merits
Medical
letter, sir.
College come
Tomorrow.
Melted
Mail-
facts.
how-
Where my learned
yes,
friend says
that
doesn't go to a doctor and say that I've got burn injury.
Very good. Mr. Dotto,
Let me not open my mouth.
tomorrow or Thursday, when are you wanting?
But tomorrow, Milord.